In this video, we will demonstrate the post-op shoulder exercises after a total shoulder replacement surgery. Do each exercise 3 times per day, 10 repetitions each. You should start these exercises the day after your surgery. Let us start with neck movements. Bring your chin down towards your chest and then slowly bring your head back up. Now, turn your head slowly from side to side. Sitting in a chair. While looking straight ahead, tip your ear towards your shoulder until you feel a gentle stretch on the side of your neck. Hold for 5 seconds. Then repeat to the other side. Now we will move down to the shoulder. This exercise will help you relax and get good motion in your shoulder. You can also clean your underarm and put deodorant on when doing this exercise. There are 2 steps to this exercise. Step 1. Sit in a chair and remove your sling. Support yourself with your non-surgical arm. Allow your surgical arm to hang loosely at your side. Step 2. Slowly bend forward from your waist and let your surgical arm hang loosely. Hold at the bottom for 5 seconds. Then slowly come back up, keeping your surgical arm relaxed. Do not move your operated arm on its own, as that will make your shoulder muscles work too hard. Let gravity do the work. Let's move further down the arm to the elbow. This exercise can help prevent stiffness in your elbow. Take your sling off. Sit, stand, or lie on your back with your surgical arm by your side. Allow your arm to relax by straightening out your elbow. Now, raise your hand upward, bending at your elbow. You may need your non-surgical arm to help you at first. Now, we will do forearm exercises. These exercises can keep your forearm mobile and improve blood flow. Turn the palm of your hand up. Turn the palm of your hand down. The exercises for your wrist also keep it mobile and improve your blood flow. You can sit, stand, or lie on your back. Keep your arm by your side. Bend your wrist back and forth. The hand exercises can improve your blood flow and reduce swelling after surgery. Squeeze all your fingers closed. Stretch all your fingers open. Remember to do each exercise 3 times per day, 10 repetitions each. It is important that you continue to do these exercises until you see your physio at your post-op assessment.